Hey everyone, winter's here, and that means dry skin, freezing air, and the need for serious protection. Today I'm sharing the top 5 best winter face mask picks to keep your skin soft, hydrated and glowing all season long. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a skincare essential. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Tough Headwear Winter Face Mask. The Tough Headwear Winter Face Mask is built exactly for that. This mask is designed with a snug, full-face coverage style that protects you from wind, cold air, and even light snow. It's made with soft, breathable fleece that keeps you warm without making you feel sweaty or uncomfortable. The fabric stretches well, so it fits most face shapes and works comfortably under a helmet or beanie. Pros include its solid weather protection, a comfortable interior, and a flexible fit that works for biking, skiing, hiking, or even your morning commute. The ventilation panels make breathing easier, especially if you're moving a lot. A small inconvenience is it's a full coverage mask. Some people may feel a bit warm during mild weather. Also, if you wear glasses, you may need to adjust it carefully to reduce fogging. Personally, I think it's a dependable winter gear option if you want something lightweight but effective. It's practical, durable, and designed for real outdoor use. Just slide it on, adjust the nose and mouth area, and tuck it into your jacket or hoodie for maximum wind protection. Great warmth, solid comfort, and versatile use in multiple winter activities. Perfect for cyclists, skiers, construction workers, delivery riders, or anyone spending time outdoors in cold weather. See the description for more details. Number 2. AstroAI Winter Face Mask. The AstroAI Winter Face Mask is a solid option. It's designed with a soft, breathable fabric that covers your head, neck, and face, making it ideal for cold weather, cycling, skiing, or any outdoor activity. The material feels smooth on the skin and stays flexible even in low temperatures, which is a big plus during long hours outside. Pros include it gives full coverage, reduces wind chill, and fits well under helmets or hoodies. It also stays in place, so you don't have to keep adjusting it. A small inconvenience is if you're running or doing high-intensity activities, it may feel a bit warm because of the insulation. Also, people with glasses may experience slight fogging depending on how they adjust the mask. Using it is simple, just slip it on, adjust the eye opening, and you're ready to go. My analysis: this mask works great for winter sports, delivery riders, morning joggers, and anyone who wants extra warmth and protection outdoors. It's not meant for hot climates, but for cold environments, it performs extremely well. If you need warmth, comfort, and coverage in one piece, this is a dependable winter gear option. See the description for more details. Number 3. Sireck Winter Face Mask. The Sireck Winter Face Mask is designed to keep your face warm, protected, and comfortable during cold weather activities. It uses a windproof and thermal fleece material that helps block chilly air while maintaining breathability. The mask covers your full face, including the neck area, making it a solid option for winter biking, skiing, hiking, or daily commuting. Pros include it feels soft on the skin, fits securely, and the ventilation design helps reduce fogging if you wear glasses. The adjustable features make it easy for most people to get a snug, comfortable fit. It's lightweight, flexible, and works well under a helmet. A small inconvenience is like many winter masks, it can feel a bit warm during high-intensity activity, and the fit may vary depending on face shape. Personally, I think the Sireck mask offers reliable protection for cold and windy environments. It's not meant for hot weather, but for winter use, it performs consistently and feels durable. How to use it: just slip it over your head, adjust the nose area and side panels, and pair it with your jacket or helmet. It stays in place and gives you full coverage without feeling too bulky. Anyone who spends time outdoors in cold weather, cyclists, motor riders, runners, hikers, or even commuters who want to stay warm and protected. If you need a simple, dependable face mask for winter, the Sireck Winter Face Mask is definitely worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 4. Senllen Winter Face Mask. The Senllen Winter Face Mask is one of those products that instantly stands out. It's designed for outdoor comfort, giving you full face coverage with a soft, breathable fabric that protects you from wind, dust, and freezing temperatures. Whether you're walking, biking, hiking, or just commuting, this mask helps keep your face warm without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. One of the biggest advantages of this face mask is its flexible and ergonomic design. It wraps around your face naturally and stays in position, thanks to its stretchable material. The inside is smooth and gentle on the skin, so you don't get irritation even after wearing it for long periods. Plus, it fits well under helmets, hoodies, or winter jackets, making it practical for all kinds of winter activities. Of course, no product is perfect. The Senllen mask provides great protection, but depending on the activity, some users may want more ventilation. It's warm and cozy, which is great for cold weather, but it might feel too hot if the temperature rises. Using it is simple, just slide it on, adjust it around your nose and neck, and you're ready to go. It's also easy to wash and reuse, which makes it great for everyday winter use. Personally, I think the Senllen winter face mask is a solid choice for anyone who spends time outdoors in the cold, from cyclists and joggers to workers, travelers, and winter sports lovers. It delivers comfort, warmth, and protection in a lightweight, no-nonsense design. See the description for more details. Number 5. Baleaf Winter Face Mask. The baleaf winter face mask, a cold weather essential designed to keep your face warm, protected, and comfortable during winter activities. This mask is built with soft, breathable thermal fabric that helps lock in heat while still allowing proper airflow, so you don't feel suffocated or sweaty. It covers the full face, including ears and neck, giving you reliable protection against wind, cold air, and light snow. One of the biggest advantages of this mask is its flexible, stretchy material. It fits comfortably under helmets, hoodies, or jackets, which makes it great for biking, skiing, running, or even everyday commuting in harsh weather. The inner lining feels smooth on the skin, reducing irritation, and the moisture-wicking design helps keep your face dry during long use. Of course, there are a few things to consider. The mask may feel a bit warm if you use it during mild weather, and people with glasses might experience slight fogging, depending on how tight they wear it. But for true cold temperatures, the insulation works impressively well. In my analysis, the baleaf winter face mask stands out because of its combination of comfort, warmth, and durability. It's simple to use, just slip it on, adjust it around your face, and you're ready for outdoor activities. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, winter worker, or someone who just needs protection from freezing wind, this mask is a practical, reliable choice. If you want a winter accessory that offers warmth without bulk and comfort without irritation, this is definitely worth considering. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.